Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start part 3 of chapter 8 of science. Our first topic is parts of the cell, which is cell membrane. The basic components of a cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. The membrane separates cell from one another and also the cell from surrounding medium. The plasma membrane is porous and allows the movement of substance or material both inward and outward. The boundary of the onion cell is the membrane covered by another thick covering called the cell wall. The central dense round body in the center is called the nucleus. The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and cell membrane is called cytoplasm. You have learnt earlier that the cell membrane gives shape to the cell. In addition to the cell membrane, there is an outer thick layer in cells of plants called cell wall. This additional layer surrounding the cell membrane is required by plants for protection. Plant cells need protection against variation in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric pressure, etc., atmospheric moisture, etc. They are exposed to these variations because they cannot move. Cell can be observed in leaf peel of Tradescantia, Elodia, or Ruhio. You can prepare a slide as in the case of onion. Now we are going to start cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Various other components of organelles of cell are present in cytoplasm. These are mitochondria, Golgi bodies and ribosomes, etc. You will learn about them in later classes. Now we are going to start nucleus. It is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. It can be stained and seen easily with the help of microscope. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane. This membrane is also porous and allows the movement of material between the cytoplasm and inside of the nucleus. With a microscope of higher magnification, we can see smaller spherical bodies in the nucleus. It is called the nucleolus. In addition, nucleus contain thread-like structure called chromosomes. These carry genes and help in inheritance of transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. The chromosomes can be seen only when the cell divides. Nucleus, in addition to its role in inheritance, acts as control center of the activities of the cell. The entire content of the living cell is known as protoplasm. It includes cytoplasm and the nucleus. Protoplasm is called the living substance of the cell. While observing the onion cell under the microscope, did you notice any black looking structure in the cytoplasm? It is called vacuole. It could be single and big as in an onion cell. Cheek cells are smaller vacuoles. Large vacuoles are common in plant cell. Vacuoles in animal cell are much smaller. You might have noticed several small colored bodies in cytoplasm or the cell of Tradescantia leaves. These are scattered in the cytoplasm of leaf cells. These are called plastids. They are of different colors. Some of them are contain green pigment called chlorophyll. Green colored plastids are called chloroplast. They provide green color to the leaves. You may recall that chlorophyll is the chloroplast of leaves, is essential for photosynthesis. Don't forget to revise what we studied today. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye friends.